People, if your Firestick has problems and it has volume problems, we gonna give you 5 solutions in this quick manual, quick guide to help you. And if I helped you, please give me a subscription and a like on this video. That would be very helpful. Well, while the Amazon TV stick provides a great streaming experience in the home, the included remote does not. Sometimes the Fire TV stick remote stops working. And first, solution number 1 is restart the Fire Stick. And I think you already have tried this, but well, we make a complete guide. So solution 1 is restart the Fire Stick. And sometimes the issue of the Fire Stick volume not working occurs due to the interference between the remote and the TV. In this case, restarting the TV can help. This approach has proven useful the most of the times. Do this, simply unplug your Fire TV or stick or Fire TV from the outlet, wait about 1 minute and plug it back in. And that's solution number 1. We go off to solution number 2. Connect the Fire Stick to the correct HDMI port. Connecting your Fire Stick to the wrong HDMI port can also cause the volume and other remote buttons to malfunction. This port allows your Fire Stick remote to reconfigure the functionality of your TV so that you can control them with the remote. Well, usually the HDMI port is clearly marked on the back of the TV. If not, you can check your TV's operating manual to find it. Well, people, already solution 3. Unpair a Bluetooth device. Sometimes your TV will not respond to the Fire Stick remote commands due to pairing issues. Connecting too many devices can cause conflicts. In this case, unpairing a Bluetooth device may solve this problem. Well, how to select it? You go to Settings, you go to Controllers and Bluetooth devices, and then you select Other Bluetooth devices, and then unpair any unwanted device. Okay guys, the solution number 4. Check the TV's audio settings. Sometimes the Fire Stick remote volume doesn't work because you don't have the correct audio control settings enabled on your TV. To check your device control settings, to make sure they allow audio control via the Fire Stick remote. Follow the instructions below. Well, and I'm gonna tell you this. I have this from a manual. And step 1 is go to Settings and then click the Equipment Control, Manage Equipment. So first Settings, Equipment Control, and then Manage Equipment. Then step 2, if you can't see your speaker among the list devices, click Add Equipment. Step 3, select the correct audio equipment. Once done, check the Fire Stick volume not working issue gets fixed. Well, the last solution, and it's the most uncommon solution, but well, maybe it works for you. Use Alexa. If none of the above, if none of the told solutions work for the Fire Stick remote volume, you can try using Alexa voice commands, provided your Fire Stick remote supports it, of course. You can increase or decrease the volume simply by saying Alexa volume up or Alexa volume down. Well, maybe that will work. So that were 5 solutions and you can find them in the capitals here, and well, hope I helped you a little bit. See you in the next problem on my page. Hope you didn't get any problems anymore, but well, you never know. See you. Bye bye. Thanks.